How to check in on Expedia app. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we'll discuss on how to check in using the Expedia application. So if you're having trouble checking in, don't worry, just follow the simple steps. First of all, you have to open the Expedia application and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. This will give you access to all your booked trips. Now navigate to the trips section within the app on the bottom of the screen where you will see a list of your upcoming and past trips. Choose the trip you want to check in for, and this will open the trip's details page, displaying information about your flight, hotel, and other bookings. Look for the check in options that may be available for your flight or hotel, depending on the provider's policy. For flights, you might be directed to the airline website for online check in, and for hotels, check their check in policy and contact them directly if needed. If online check in is available, follow the on screen instructions provided by the airline or the hotel to complete the process, and this may also involve printing or downloading your boarding pass and receiving the digital check in information. If you encounter any issues or need to make changes to your booking, you can manage your trips directly through the Expedia app, including canceling or modifying your bookings. If you face any difficulties during the check in process or have any questions about your bookings, you can reach out to the Expedia's customer support through the service portal. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.